નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 4 of our chapter, that is 5th chapter. And what is the name of the chapter? Does it look the same? And in the last part I asked you to draw this type of doggy shape in a paper. I show it to you also. In this one we are going to discuss new activity in which first of all open page number 74 in your textbook. Open page number 74 in your textbook. Okay, so this is 74th page number, and from here we are going to do one more activity. Okay, we will, and you must have understood now the mirror helps. Once again we are going for the mirror helps only, and there is an activity, and in this one keep a mirror also with you, that doggy shape and a mirror with you, so that we can perform this activity exactly. Okay, so first of all let me read this, and then we will perform this activity. Mirror games. Here is a picture of a dog. You can place a mirror on the dotted line, then the part of the dog to the right of the line will be hidden behind the mirror. What you will see like a, see what to do. Here you can see a picture of a dog. अब आपको क्या करना है? Here you can see a dotted line where you will place a mirror, piece of mirror over here on the dotted line. So what will happen? From here, from this part, the right part, it is not possible to see. Why? Because in between there is a mirror. That is why this part, right part, it is not possible to see. But this part, we will be able to see this part in the mirror, and because of that we will be able to see something like this. Okay, let's try to see. So first of all, here this is a doggy shape. Okay, you can see that. Now let me put a mirror somewhere. See, can you see the dotted line is somewhere over here, है ना? So let me put this mirror somewhere over there, so that I can show you that shape. So I hope you must be able to see this. See, this is a dotted line, and can you see this shape? Is it possible? See, let me change the angle so that you can see this shape. Okay, can you see this shape? You must be able to see this now. Okay, so in this way you can see this shape, and it is exactly shown in this table over here, है ना? It was look like this only. Now let's see the next. Here I am reading this one. Now we will perform this one. Look at the figure in the white box on which the dotted lines. Will you keep the mirror so that you get shape B? Also tell which part of the picture will be hidden when we keep the mirror on the dotted line. अब देखो, in this picture, in this one, we can see a dotted line over here. Okay, so let's try to perform this activity, and how does it look like? Let's see. So see, in this way, see, doggy is something like this. Doggy should remain something like this. Okay, ऐसे रखना है, ऐसे नहीं रखना है, थोड़ा सा क्रॉस रखना है. ओके, फिर जो अपनी डॉटेड लाइन है वो अगर ऐसे रखते हैं तो यहाँ पे है. Here there is a dotted line. Okay, so let me keep this like this, and let me place this somewhere over here. Okay, now is it possible for you to see this picture? And how does it look like? Can you see this picture in the mirror? And how does it look like? Is it same as described in the textbook or not? Can you see this picture now? In the mirror, you try to see it in the mirror. Okay? See. तो ऐसे आपको भी प्लेस करना है. If you cannot see through this activity, then you do it with yourself at your home so that you can see this. Now, here, let's see this. See, now make a line on the white box to show where you will keep the mirror to get the picture next to it. अब हमें क्या करना है? देखो, अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. With these two activities, this one and this one, आपको अब समझ में आ गया होगा कि कैसे अगर हम प्लेस करें मिरर को तो कैसी शेप दिखेगी. तो पहले आपको गेस करना है कि भाई जो ऐसा है उसमें कहां पे हम मिरर को प्लेस करें. वहां पे यू शुड ड्रॉ ए डॉटेड लाइन सो दैट के यू कैन गेट दिस पिक्चर. देन आफ्टर फॉर दिस वन, इसमें कहां पे डॉटेड लाइन ड्रॉ करें सो दैट के वी कैन सी दिस वन. ओके, चलिए तो वही दोनों करते हैं. पहले इसमें कहां पे डॉटेड लाइन आएगी? सी दिस पिक्चर. हियर यू कैन सी अ माउथ एंड दिस अप टू दिस पार्ट. डॉगी का इतना पार्ट दिख रहा है, तो ये और इतना पार्ट दिख रहा है, isn't it? तो यहाँ पे कहीं पे अगर मिरर रखेंगे, if we put the mirror somewhere over here, then it is possible to see this part. Okay, let's see. See, there is a doggy. Okay, अब इसको कैसे रखना है? Not exactly like this, but keep something like this. Okay, और फिर हमें ये जो मिरर है उसको इस तरीके से रखना है सो दैट वी कैन सी. लेट मी प्लेस दिस वन सो दैट वी कैन सी दिस मच पार्ट. ओके, नाउ कैन यू सी नाउ is this exactly the same in the textbook? Can you see this? Can you see this? And is it exactly the same in the let me place this one. 1 minute. Now, is it exactly the same in the textbook? Isn't it? Can you see this? Okay, देखो अभी. Now is it possible for you to see? So that you can place a mirror such like so that you can see that picture. Now next one is also there, D shape. Okay, D shape में you can see only head of the dog. You can see here. Here you can see only the head of the dog. Okay, so let's keep something like that. Let's keep this one something like that so that we can see only the head of the. Now, is it possible for you to see? Can you see this in the mirror? Now, is it possible? Can you see this in the mirror? See, it must be exactly the same as in the textbook. Okay, now you must have understood how to place the mirror somewhere. Okay, so this way you should keep the mirror and you can see this. See, I am changing this angle so that at least once you can see this. Okay, now there is E part is there. See, this one E. अब हमें ऐसे लिखना है, तो अब कहां पे हम रखे so that we can see the picture something like this. Okay, so let's try to see. देखो मिरर में see I'm putting something like this only because otherwise it is not possible. तो अगर हम इसे यहाँ पे प्लेस करते हैं, देखो ये आपको थोड़ा हॉरिजॉन्टल दिखेगा, अदरवाइज इट शुड बी लाइक दिस, बट टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड, और अगर आप दिख पाए इसलिए मैं इसे ऐसे रखता हूं. ओके, देखो नाउ इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर यू टू सी दिस वन इन द मिरर? लुक इन टू द मिरर. आप देख पा रहे हैं? ओके, इट मस्ट बी लुक लाइक this textbook, isn't it? So in the E you can do like this, and there is F part is also there. Now we want to see something like this. तो कैसे रखना है? देखो डॉगी का कितना पार्ट आ रहा है, इतना सा यहां तक, इतना तक पार्ट आ रहा है, और एक पैर आ रहा है. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से हमें कैसे रखना है, so that वी कैन सी दिस वन. लेट्स सी. देखो पहले डॉगी को, अपना डॉगी है उसे ऐसे रखना है. ठीक है, फिर हमें इससे इस तरीके से प्लेस, वी शुड प्लेस दिस समथिंग लाइक दिस, सो दैट वी कैन सी दिस डॉगी. कैन सी नाउ? कैन सी दिस डॉगी एग्जैक्टली इन द मिरर? Okay, and see it is must be like the same in the textbook. Okay, so look into the textbook and over here also, and as well as perform this activity with yourself also, so that you can understand. Now come on the next page, and that is page number 76 over here. So in this one also there are many shapes. What you will do, you will take a mirror with yourself, and let me read, and then after how to do I will make you understand. Venki has made a red and white shape. Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture next to it. अब देखो here there is a shape. अब इसमें क्या करना है, ये शेप है, उसमें यहां पे आपको मिरर रखना है. देन यू विल बी एबल टू सी दिस पिक्चर. हियर देयर इज अ शेप, उसमें कहीं पे तो आपको ऐसे मिरर प्लेस करना है, सो दैट यू कैन सी दिस शेप. तो आपको अलग अलग एंगल से मिरर इसमें सेट करना होगा, सो दैट यू कैन सी इन द मिरर, यू कैन सी दिस शेप. सेम वे देखो ये जो शेप है, उसमें आपने इस शेप में आपने व्हाइट बॉक्स जो है, जहां पे भी व्हाइट बॉक्स है उसमें आपको ऐसे मिरर प्लेस करना है, सो दैट यू कैन सी दिस शेप. ओके, दिस इज सी एक्टिविटी. इन दिस डी, व्हाइट बॉक्स में कौन सा शेप है, ये है, तो इसमें हमें मिरर प्लेस करना है. ठीक है, और इस तरीके से करना है, सो दैट वी कैन सी दिस शेप थ्रू द मिरर एंड हियर. एंड देर इज शेप ई ऑल्सो इज देयर. व्हाइट बॉक्स में कौन सा शेप है, ये वाला. तो ये जो व्हाइट बॉक्स वाला शेप है उसमें आपको इस तरीके से मिरर रखना है, सो दैट यू कैन सी दिस पिक्चर इनटू योर मिरर. ओके, सो यू विल हैव टू परफॉर्म दिस एक्टिविटी विथ योरसेल्फ. ओके, एंड इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दिस वन, half a turn. Before that, you try to perform this activity, and if you have not drawn this shape in the page, and then draw this shape and perform this activity with yourself with mirror. Okay, we'll meet you in the next part. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.